In a world of ever-evolving geopolitics, defense innovations and the limitless possibilities of outer space, knowledge is power. That is why we at the Strat News Global family bring you not just news, but in-depth insights into the most intricate aspects of our times. Welcome to our universe of information and exploration. Our journey is a testament to the dedication and vision of our team. A team handpicked for their expertise, their passion and their unwavering commitment to delivering quality content. Allow us to introduce you to the faces behind the names. Nitin A. Gokhale, Surya Gangadharan, Amitabh Revi, Subrat Nanda, Ashwin Ahmed, Ramananda Sengupta, Anil Padmanabhan, Brigadier S.K. Chatterjee, Nilanjana Banerjee, Captain D.K. Sharma, Ravi Shankar, and Dr. Chaitanya Giri. We are not confined by borders. Our commitment to bringing you the most comprehensive insights has taken us across the globe. From the bustling streets of Taiwan to the tranquil shores of Maldives, from the vibrant culture of South Sudan to the strategic landscapes of Leh and Kashmir, we have been there and we have reported. We are not just observers, we are participants. We've been privileged to cover some of the most significant events in the fields of strategic affairs, foreign policy, defense, and space. From the grand commissioning of INS Vikrant II to the high-profile DEF Expo and the dazzling displays at Aero India, we have been there, reporting every development. Our conversations are not ordinary. We've had the honor of engaging with some of the most influential voices in these domains. From government officials to military and security experts, from defense industry leaders to astronauts and space entrepreneurs, our interviews provide unparalleled insights. So who are we and what do we bring to the table? Strat News Global. When it comes to strategic affairs, foreign policy and international relations, we are your guiding light. We simplify complex matters, ensuring that substance is at the heart of every report. We aim to make the intricate world of statecraft, history and geopolitics easily understandable to you. Bharat Shakti. In a time when self-reliance in defense is paramount, we are your go-to source for all things related to India's defense. From policy to implementation, we decode it all. Our annual India Defence Conclave showcases the best of indigenous defence platforms for prospective business clients. Interstellar.news. Space is the new frontier, and we are here to explore it with you. With a focus on the Indian space industry, startups in the field, and global space trends, we are your one-stop portal for discussions and debates on the future of a high-tech Indian space journey. As we continue to grow, our family of nearly 200,000 followers on YouTube and 40,000 across social media platforms, we invite you to join us. Subscribe to our channels, follow our updates, and be part of the conversation. Stay informed, stay inspired, and together, let us explore the complexities of our world, one report at a time. Bharat Shakti, Strat News Global, and Interstellar.news. Your source for profound, professional, and intellectually rich content. Thank you for being part of our journey.